Everyone, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs, make the plaits on both the sides. Now tie the hairs on the top and put the hair clutch to fix the hairs like this. Now after fixing the hairs, fold it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs and tie it on the top like this and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after tying the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides and the top as well. Now after pulling the hairs out, we will again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now pull out the hairs from the sides and then take the hairs and fix it. Now make the plaits on all the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to fold it upward and fix it using the bun pin and make the bun like this, and it's done. Now moving forward, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then roll them together and then put the hair clutch like this. After rotating it, again take the hairs from the sides, fold it upward and fix it. Now take the hairs all together and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now after making the plaits, fold it upward and fix it on the side like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving on to further hairstyle, we'll be taking this bun clutch. So now take the hairs, roll them together like this, make a high ponytail and roll the hairs by dividing them into two parts. Fold it like this. Now we will roll it upward and then put the bun clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail on the back by taking the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now roll it like this and then put the hair clutch over it. Now again repeat the process. Tie the hairs, roll it and put the hair clutch over it. Now at the end we will take all the hairs and make the plaits till the end. Now at the end we will tie the hairs using the rubber band and then we will fold it upward like this. Now after tying the hairs, put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after that, pull out the hairs from the sides and from the top as well. Now take the hairs, divide them into two parts and make the plaits on the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Put the hair clutch on the hairs to fix it. Put the hair clutch like this on both the sides and put the hair like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs, pull out from the sides like this. Now after that, we will take all the hairs together and then fix it like this by making the plaits. Now pull out the hairs from the sides, fold it upward, roll it like this and put the bun pin or the hair clutches to fix it. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs and make a ponytail and then rotate it from the right side like this. Now after that, fix the hairs like this, divide the hairs and then we'll pull out the hairs from the sides and the top. Now after that, we will tie the hairs together and make the plaits on it. Now after making the plaits, we will fold the hairs upward and fix it like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides, roll it like this and put the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, pull out the hairs from the top like this. Now take the hairs from the sides again, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after tying the hairs, pull out the hairs from the top again. Now divide the hairs, make the plaits and fold them on the alternative sides and then fix it using the hair clutches like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.